Hey y'all, this is Brother Devin, back with another video. Alright, so check this out, right? I have some negative news and, sorry, something was in my eye. I have some negative news and I have some positive news. The negative news is, alright, so my, my, um, my brand new and latest lecture that I was trying to upload for y'all subscribers. It's not going through YouTube, so I'm just gonna upload it on my I'm gonna upload it to both my main uh, Facebook friends only page as well as my Facebook public figure page. Those are two totally different pages. Okay? And I'm also going to upload it to Rumble. So if y'all want to see this brand new lecture that I have uh, going to be uploaded, uh, go to my Rumble channel at Fury Jones 333. That's Fury Jones 333 on Rumble. Okay? And make sure you hit that Cash App. Alright? $ I am Devin H. Alright? Again, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I tried uploading this lecture for a total of 3 tries. 3 tries, y'all. And the and it just would not work. Okay? So don't worry. I got more brand new lectures coming, but if you want to see that one in particular, you can either hit up my public figure Facebook page or my Rumble page. I'm gonna upload. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Sorry, I'm stuttering so much. I'm going to upload. I'm going to upload my newest and latest lecture, the five levels of consciousness, go bone thug style, to my Rumble page. That's Fury Jones 333, and I wrote it like that so it'd be easier for y'all to find my channel on there. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna upload this lecture to my my main Facebook page, my official public Facebook page, and my Rumble channel. So the lecture that I was trying to yeah the lecture that I was trying to upload on there, it it's not gonna be on there. So if you wanna see if you wanna see my newest and latest new lecture, uh, go to my public figure page, the Occult World of Brother Devin, official Facebook. That's TheOccult on Facebook. All right, and also go to my Rumble channel, Fury Jones 333. All right. I apologize for the inconvenience, y'all, but it's just not going through. Okay. Uh, I'll hook y'all up with another lecture. I promise. Hopefully the next one goes through. All right. I'm gonna drop another blog. I'm gonna drop another blog too. Okay. I'm gonna be talking about demons again on that one. It'll be just a reminder. Okay. All right, y'all. This is Brother Devin. I'm out. Peace.